Hello, distinguished guests, channel partner, and colleague from around the world. Welcome to today's Hytera product webinar. I am Travis, Product Marketing Manager of Domo Radio, and I am very pleased to host this session with my colleague Arthur.
Thank you, Travis. Hello, everyone. I'm Arthur, Product Manager of PDC580. Today, we are excited to introduce Hytera PDC580. It is a new dual-mode radio. It combines familiar operation of a professional DMR radio with the flexibility of POC communication.
In many industries, frontline teams no longer work on only one network. They need more reliable narrowband voice, wider broadband connection, simple operation, and strong durability. PDC580 is designed for those needs. In this webinar, I will first introduce the positioning and the key highlights of the PDC580. Then I will introduce the product from three key perspectives: stay connected, stay reliable, and familiar operation. Let's begin. PDC580 is not only a POC radio, it is not only a DMR radio either. It combines a POC radio, a DMR radio, and a voice gateway capability in one compact design.
Users can communicate through DMR conventional or analog channels. They can also use broadband POC service through Hytera. PDC580 also supports positioning, smart battery management, and the local call recording on the advanced version.
From a market perspective, PDC580 is those customers need both private network reliability and a wider broadband coverage.
PDC580 also keeps the look and feel of our traditional DMR radio. This helps frontline users learn the product quickly. Remote and batch management can also help organizations reduce daily workload.
The first value is stay connected. Users may face long-distance communication, limited cellular signal, or separated networks. PDC580 gives users more communication choices and stronger communication support. Arthur, what kind of customer problems are we trying to solve here?
The problem is simple. Users may need DMR in one moment and the POC in the next moment. PDC580 helps them stay connected across both networks. In this chapter, we will introduce communication performance, audio quality, battery life, simulated call, the broadband narrowband voice gateway, and the local recording. PDC580 has two groups of highlights. PDC580 has strong basic performance. This includes longer DMR communication distance, high receive sensitivity, IP67 protection, strong audio, and long battery life in low temperature environment.
For value-added services, PDC580 supports DMR POC Simul-call. With one PTT action, users can reach team members on different networks. They can also support as a POC DMR voice gateway to bridge the broadband and narrowband communication.
On the advanced version, PDC580 also has a built-in recording chip. It supports up to 500 hours of local call recording. This is useful for traceability, dispute handling, and command review.
So Arthur, what is the key value of this product?
Many customers still rely on DMR for stable on-site communication. At the same time, they want POC for wider aerial connection and flexible dispatch. PDC580 gives them both in one family radio.
Next, let's take a look at each feature in more detail. For professional communication, reliable voice coverage is always the first requirement. PDC580 supports up to 5 volt transmit power. It also supports 0.16 receive sensitivity for both digital and analog mode.
This helps the radio keep clearer and more stable communication in weak signal areas. It is useful for large outdoor sites, rail lines, emergency scenes, and municipal service areas.
PDC580 also uses an integrated broadband and narrowband antenna design. This helps improve LTE performance and supports POC communication when narrowband coverage is limited.
Whether users choose PMR or broadband POC, PDC580 is designed to provide a stable communication link.
Now, we will play a distance test video. It will give you a direct view of PDC580 communication performance.
Please pay attention to the voice clarity and the stability during the test.
Calling from the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Hytera PDC580 calling from the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5.
As shown in the video, PDC580 can support stable and clear voice communication over a long distance. This is important for customers who need dependable field communication, not only good specifications on paper. So Arthur, why is audio quality so important for frontline users?
Because in noisy field work, users do not have time to repeat every command. They need to hear the message clearly the first time. For example, a construction site may exceed 80 dB. The radio must be loud and clear enough for users to hear every instruction.
Our PDC580 uses a 2-volt high-power speaker and a large 36mm speaker design. This provides stronger loudness, especially in low-frequency range. Hytera professional noise cancellation also helps reduce background noise, wind noise, and howling.
PDC580 also uses a water drainage acoustic structure. Even in rain and harsh outdoor conditions, this
railway, construction, and municipal services, audio quality is very important. A clear command can help users act correctly and in time. For outdoor and mobile workers, battery life is critical. Many users cannot charge the device during the day. They need an audio radio that can support a full-day working shift.
PDC580 comes with a 3000 mAh high-capacity battery. Its rated voltage is 7.7. With optimized power saving, it supports all-day use. In POC-only scenarios, the operating time can be even longer.
It also supports a Type-C fast charging. With only 30 minutes of charging, the device can support about 8 hours of operation. This helps users quickly recover battery life during short breaks or shift changes.
This makes PDC580 suitable for outdoor patrol, railway operation, emergency response, and other work where reliable power is essential. Now, let's move to one of the most unique dual-mode features, DMR POC Simul-call. In a mixed team, some users may use DMR, while others use POC. In the past, the same message might need to be repeated twice.
With PDC580 Simul-call, the user can press one PTT button to start DMR and POC calls at the same time. The same voice messages can reach different members on different networks.
This feature makes operations simpler. It also reduces repeated communication and helps command reach users faster.
For emergency response, railway, municipal services, and security operations, every second matters. Simul-call makes cross-network communication faster and more reliable.
In fact, we also have prepared a short video to show how Simul-call works and how to operate it. Please take a look.
The Simul-call enables intelligent convergence between broadband networks and narrowband networks. With a single press of the PTT button, users can send a voice message to both networks at the same time. Before using this function, make sure the PDC580 is operating in broadband and narrowband mode. Then, open Settings, go to Radio and enable Simul-call. Once enabled, users can send voice messages to both the broadband and narrowband networks with just one PTT press. Test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In addition to Simul-call, PDC580 supports DMR POC Voice Gateway. This means the radio can work as a bridge between the broadband and narrowband networks.
Travis, some customers may ask, what's the difference between Simul-call and the voice gateway?
Well, the Simul-call means one user sends the same message to DMR user and POC user at the same time, while the voice gateway is different. It forwards the voice message from one network to the other network. In this way, the users on different networks can talk through our PDC580.
For example, DMR users may be out of reach because of distance or weak narrowband signal. In this case, we can place the PDC580 in a suitable location and set it to a gateway mode. Then it will work as a bridge between DMR and POC communication.
This helps customers extend the coverage and break the boundary between two different networks, users from private networks and the users from broadband networks.
We have also prepared a demonstration video to show how to operate and use the voice gateway feature. Please take a look.
Dual-mode voice gateway refers to the capability of a dual-mode radio to relay voice messages between narrowband and broadband networks, either from narrowband to broadband or from broadband to narrowband. First, set the dual-mode radio to the same POC group as the broadband radio, and configure it to the same frequency as the narrowband radio. Then, switch the mode to repeater in the mode setting. Once configured, the dual-mode radio can serve as a voice gateway between the two networks. Test. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Another unique value of PDC580 is local call recording. This feature is available on the advanced version. In many industries, voice communication is not only for real-time coordination. It is also important for review after an event.
For example, on a construction site, in railway operation, or during emergency response, people may need to confirm what instruction was given. Recording helps restore the real communication process.
PDC580 uses a built-in non-removable memory chip. This supports up to 500 hours of local call recording. Recordings cannot be deleted directly from the terminal side. This helps protect the authenticity of the records.
Frontline users can play back the latest call recording with only one click through a programmable button. If users need more advanced review, they can manage recordings through dedicated software on a computer. The built-in RTC also helps to keep the recording time very accurate.
So this feature provides stronger evidence support, better command traceability, and better operation management.
The second value of PDC580 is stay reliable. Professional users need a device that keeps working in tough environments. These may include rain, dust, drops, static electricity, low temperature, and long outdoor use.
In the following pages, we will introduce the rugged design and the wide temperature operation of PDC580. PDC580 is a rugged dual-mode radio for demanding field use. It supports IP67 dust and water protection, 1.5 meter drop protection, and the military standard A10H related reliability requirements.
It also supports IEC Level 4 electrostatic protection. This helps reduce risks caused by electrostatic discharge in dry or industrial environments.
The body uses well-resistant protective material. The back battery area has an anti-slip texture. This helps users hold the radio firmly outdoors or when wearing gloves.
The silicon buttons are designed for long-term use. They can withstand more than 400,000 prices. Compared with our large-screen smart devices, PDC580 provides a more radio-like regular structure for users who care about reliability and durability. Another important reliability feature is wide temperature operation. PDC580 can work from -30 degrees to 60 degrees.
This is important for users in very cold areas. Railway users, for example, may work in freezing outdoor environments. Some devices may have battery or performance problems in these conditions.
PDC580 is designed to keep working in winter operations, emergency response, and outdoor patrol.
Together with rugged protection and long battery life, this wide temperature capability supports harsh environments where communication cannot fail.
So Arthur, why do we still emphasize familiar operation on a dual-mode radio?
Because frontline users need fast response. A familiar design reduces training time and helps them use the radio with confidence. PDC580 keeps the familiar shape and the operation logic of professional two-way radios. This reduces training effort and helps users focus on their tasks. PDC580 uses friendly physical controls. The dual knob control supports quickly blind operations. Users can quickly adjust case settings without looking at the screen. This is useful when working, driving, wearing gloves, or working in urgent situations.
The device also uses integrated broadband and narrowband antenna to support signal performance. The 1.8-inch LCD remains visible under outdoor light. Users can quickly read the key information.
PDC580 provides a universal Type-C interface for easy charging. It also has a 13-pin accessory connector compatible with HP series accessories. This helps customers reuse accessories and reduce deployment cost.
The design concept is simple. Keep professional radio operation fast and familiar, while adding the value of dual-mode communication.
PDC580 has two PTT buttons. The smaller side PTT is designed for DMR calls. The large PTT button is designed for port calls. This physical separation helps users choose the right network without entering complex menus.
When a user needs to contact a local on-site team, DMR may be the best choice. When a user needs to contact a remote dispatch center or a team across a wider area, POC can be used through the broadband network.
This design supports fast response in different call scenarios. It also keeps the familiar radio experience that professional users already trust.
That concludes the main product introduction. In the appendix section, we will briefly introduce the versions, accessories, and the key specifications of the PDC580.
As you can see, PDC580 have two versions, the standard version and the advanced version.
Arthur, how should the customer choose between those two different versions?
If customers mainly need dual-mode voice communication, the standard version is a good choice. If they need a wireless connection, man-down, vibration, or recording, the advanced version is more suitable. This gives customers a clear upgrade path from basic dual-mode communication to more advanced safety feature and recording features.
PDC580 supports a full accessory portfolio. This includes battery, belt clip, antenna, strap, charger, programming cable, remote speaker microphone, earpiece, wireless PTT, and other audio accessories.
A key benefit is ecosystem compatibility. PDC580 is compatible with HP5 accessories and most HP7 accessories. This helps customers protect previous accessory investment and simplify their deployment.
If customers choose the advanced version, PDC580 can also work with the corresponding wireless accessories, such as wireless earpieces and wireless PTT. This gives frontline users more flexibility. A 2,400 mAh battery is also available as an option for smart, better battery management.
This page shows the main specification of PDC580.
To summarize, PDC580 is a professional dual-mode radio. It helps the user stay connected through DMR and POC, stay reliable in harsh environments, and operate with a familiar radio experience.
It gives customers a practical way to combine the narrowband reliability with broadband flexibility. At the same time, it keeps operations simple for frontline users.
Thank you for joining today's PDC580 webinar. We hope this product can bring more communication flexibility, reliability, and efficiency to your customer and your projects. If you have any question about PDC580, please feel free to contact the Hytera team. Thank you.
Thank you.